Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to export your mailbox from Microsoft Outlook. This is a really useful process if you want to create a backup of your emails, keep a personal archive, or simply have a copy of your messages stored outside of Outlook for future reference. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook. You can access it either through your web browser or by launching the desktop application, depending on which version you typically use. If you're using the web version, make sure to sign in with the correct Microsoft account so you have full access to your inbox, folders, and settings. Once you're inside Outlook, head over to the Settings menu. You'll find this in the top right corner of the screen, represented by a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a settings panel where you can manage different features and customize how Outlook works for you. From this panel, select General. This section contains the main configuration options for your account and is where you'll find several important settings related to your overall Outlook experience. Next, within the General section, locate and click on Privacy and Data. This area is specifically designed to manage how your data is handled, including options related to exporting your mailbox. Now, look for the Export Mailbox option. Once you find it, click on the Export Mailbox button to begin the process. This action tells Outlook to start preparing a downloadable copy of your emails. If the button is not clickable or doesn't appear as expected, it could be due to certain account permissions or restrictions. In most standard accounts, however, this option should be available and ready to use. After you initiate the export, the process will begin in the background. Depending on the size of your mailbox, especially if you have a large number of emails, it may take some time to complete. It's important to be patient during this step and allow Outlook to finish preparing your file. And that's it. You've successfully started exporting your Outlook mailbox. Once completed, your exported file will act as a reliable backup that you can store, review, or use whenever needed. Make sure to save the file in a secure location, such as your computer or an external drive. It's also a good idea to repeat this process from time to time to ensure your backup stays up to date with your latest emails. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with others who might need it, and subscribe for more clear and practical guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.